I am choosing to respond to scenario number 2. I do not work at an elementary school. In fact, I teach 6th grade at a middle school, but I am on the PST team at my school, and I also work at a school that has lots of inner city student transfers, so I could really relate to this topic. If a teacher brings up a student that she's concerned about because he seems to be 2 grade levels behind in reading and in math, but she's gone on to demonstrate some bias toward the student by suggesting that he go ahead and be placed on the vocational track so that he can just, basically function in society, I would be a little upset, and I would ask her, how is she sure that this student is 2 grade levels behind? I would want to know what kind of assessment she has given him. I would want to see proof of the assessments that she has given him, and I'd want to know the alternate ways in which she has assessed this child. If she cannot provide any of those things, then I would suggest that she go back and try again and bring it up at the next meeting when she has made it very clear that she has done everything in her power to help this student. If she does have adequate proof that he seems to be a couple of years behind, then I would recommend that he be tested for an IEP rather than having an IEP implemented immediately. An IEP is individualized, so I would want to know exactly what his individual needs were. As for her comment that he be tracked, I would be very upset. I would respond to her that it is our job as educators to not to tell a child what they can and cannot do. Our job is to foster their learning and to believe that every child has the capability to learn and grow. It would be my job to stand up for this child, and I might even go privately to the administrator after this meeting and suggest this child be removed from this teacher's classroom and placed in a classroom of a teacher who believes that he can learn.